Janet Finch-Saunders.
Diolch Llywydd. Of course, First Minister, access to the internet and indeed good broadband speeds are now considered as one of the main utilities that a family or a household should have. However, the latest communications market report for Wales found that just over 8 households out of 10 actually can access the internet. 83%, so that leaves 17% of people who cannot access the internet. Now, when they cannot access the internet for services that are only available online, then they are at a great disadvantage. Now, at present, for example, also, to register as a landlord under Rent Smart Wales costs £33.50 if you complete the application form online, but £80.50 for a paper-based application. And in Aberconway, a number of my constituents have actually had to pay this extra money and found it quite an unfair system. Will you commit to reviewing processes across all Welsh Government public service providers to ensure that such discrepancies and indeed these natural barriers are removed?
I think I have to say to the member that I think the information she's using is out of date, possibly a year out of date. That is my understanding. And we look at Superfast Cymru, for example, and what we have done with that. That has meant that a substantial number, nearly, not 100%, but more than 90% of premises in Wales have access to superfast broadband. That would not have been done without Welsh Government intervention. If this had been left to the market, many of her constituents would have been left without broadband forever and a day. So the intervention that we have put in place as a government has ensured that many people will have access to broadband, otherwise they would not have. There will be a small percentage of the population who will need to look at other solutions in terms of accessing a broadband speed that people would find acceptable. But we're proud of our record in rolling out broadband across rural communities in Wales that would otherwise have no access at all.